Hi guys, welcome. Today we have unboxing of the new TY. Well, not new, but I was gifted by Miss Tracy with these lovely little things right here. These are the mini boss. So, boss. I think that's how you say it. But anyhow, I would like to open them with you. Obviously, I haven't opened them up, so let's see, you guys, what we got. Look, guys. Let me show you who is here looking at me. These two. The other one right there. Doesn't want to participate. Not quite happy today. So I'm opening this green box. And this is series 3. So let's see what we got. So, dun, 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 dun. Oh, we got another one of these. And this one right here is Miss Bubblegum. So, yep. I love those. I already got those. And if you wanted to see, I have more of, or if you want to see more of my TY mini boss, please go to our playlist, video playlist, and then you will see it from there. So I'm opening the pink one. Zelda, don't get my toys. So let's see who we got here. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. Ta-da! I hate the glitter. See. So this one is Glider. Dun, 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 dun. And Glider is my second glider. So Tilda wants to play. Oh man, that's gonna be, she's gonna cry. She's gonna cry about that. I know it, but I'm filming. Okay, we're opening the blue one, guys. And let's see what we have in here. Whoops! Another Gilda glider. Dun, 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 dun. So, yep. They are so cute. So they are just like mini things of like those ones that you can see from the grocery store, like everywhere with like that big things. But I thought that they were cute. I hate the glitter. And every single one of them has that glitter thing. Okay, now we're gonna open the orange. Aren't you glad? So, alright, we have this one. And let's open it up. I know what you want, but we're filming. Ooh, we got Amethyst. I don't know if I have Amethyst, but yeah, that is cool. Thank you, Miss Tracy. All right, last one, you guys. Are we able to get, what else do I have? I don't have Muffin. I don't have Oscar. So, and I don't think I have Daisy. All right. Purple. Ta-da! Ask and you shall receive. I forgot to mention that I don't have Cracker. But now I do. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So these are the new 5 little mini boss that I got. So I'm gonna write the names of them in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below. Please like our videos and subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you again on our next video. Bye guys. Do you guys want to say bye? I guess not. All right. Bye, guys.